Hi everyone, this is Amit and in this video I will be showing how the clarification can be filed for the show cause notice issued by the tax officer. So in one of my video I have selected the no option while filing the clarification. In this video what I will be doing, I will be selecting yes and I will be modifying the details whatever has been requested by the tax officer. Then I will be submitting the clarification. So what I have to do, I have to navigate to services, registration, new registration, and then I have to log in with TRN. I will paste the TRN. I will enter the CAPTCHA. I'll click on proceed button. OTP will be getting generated. I'll check the OTP. I'll copy and paste it here. Then I'll click on proceed button. So you can see on the screen the ARN is displayed along with the status that is pending for clarification. And this ARN got assigned to center, not to state. It means one of the officers from the center is the owner of this ARN who will be approving or who will be issuing the notice on this application. So what I can do, let's say if you want to see the what notice has been issued, you can just click on pending for clarification. Or another option is what you can do, you can just navigate to services, user services, view notices and orders. So when you click on this, the notice number will be shown along with the option to download the notice is shown. So you can just click on download button. So when you click on download button, the notice will be getting opened. So as you can see, it is REG03 clarification, that is a show cause notice. And what are the reasons for which notice has been issued? One of the reason is for principal place of business, in the address field, please upload the latest electricity bill. Fine. Second reason is for principal place of business, please upload registered rent agreement. So these two things are asked by the tax officer. And who is the officer? Devendra Harishchandra Ambare. So all details you can see, and the due date of the filing clarification is 27th of October. If you don't file within this date, the application will be directly going to the officer, and what he will be doing, he will be rejecting the application. So it is better to file the clarification. So what I will be doing, I will navigate to services, registration, application for filing clarification. So here we have two options. So the clarification can be given by using ARN or reference number. So as I have reference number, I will just paste it here. I will click on search button. So as you can see, two options are displayed, yes and no. Then if you don't think like the reply is required, so you can just click on no button and you can submit it as I have shown in previous video. And let's say you think the whatever the clarification is asked is valid, so you can just click on yes button and then you can click on proceed button. You can see the application got opened. So you can just as you can see and notice the there were 2 points where show cause notice was raised by the tax officer, and that was in principal place of business. So in these tabs you don't have to do anything. What you can do, you can just continue, 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 and then you can go to principal place of business tab. So as you can see, this field is enabled now. Why? Because the show cause notice is raised on principal place of business tab. So you can see the officer has asked for the proper document. So this field is enabled. So what you can do, you can just select electricity bill, what was asked by the tax officer, or even it may be the case he can ask something else. So you can choose the file. You can attach the proper document, but it should be within the size of 100 KB. So now system is not allowing. So I will attach the proper pic which I have modified later. So that got attached. So you can see the existing document which I have attached while doing registration, and now this is new document, that is electricity bill, which I have attached now. If you want to delete and modify, you can just modify, and if not, you can just click on save and continue button. So now whatever the questions were asked or whatever the clarification was required, we have just filled it, and we can just save. We can click on continue button. and whatever the response is required, you can just enter it. Like for the legal ownership document we attach it, so we can just enter the response document attached. And as we are attached both the document in by merging it in one document, so you can just type same message here. And then if you have any additional information, you can add response provided, and supporting document is not required as we have clearly attached the proper document whatever was asked by the tax officer. And we can select this verification checkbox. We can select the authorized signatory. We can select enter the place. We can save it. If you want to fill it later, you can just save it, and it's always better to save the application. So now we can submit by DSC or EVC. So I clicked on EVC. So OTP should be getting generated on the mail ID and mobile number. I'll just copy it, I'll paste it and submit it. So you can see on the screen the successful message has been triggered, which is telling you have resubmitted your application. That means your clarification has been submitted. Now what you can do, you can just navigate to view my submission, and you can see the against the ARN the form number, that is REG04 clarification, along with the complete details is shown. If you want to view or download, you can just click on download button, or if you want to view, you can click on view button. So whatever the changes you did, you will be able to see from here. So we will navigate to principal place of business. Then we can see this is the new document which we have attached what was asked by the tax officer. Then you can go back to the dashboard, and let's say if you want to track the status of application, you can go to user services. No, you have to go to track application status from the services. You can select the module as registration, then you can enter the ARN. Once you enter the ARN, you can click on search button, and then system will be showing you properly what is the status of your application. Let's see like when application was filed, it was in stage 1, ARN got generated. Then SCN was raised by the tax officer, that is second stage. Now what we have did, we have given the clarification as per the questions asked by the tax officer. Now it got assigned to the tax officer. Now what he will be doing, he will just approve the application, because whatever the clarification was required we have provided. Once it will be approved, you will be getting the proper mail of the GSTN by which you can create the user ID, and then this stage 4 option will be shown as a green because the complete process has been done. That's it guys. So do like the video and subscribe the channel for motivation. Thank you.